Hello, welcome to another book report. This time I have a series that I really don't like. The whole concept. If you're a dummy, you can't really understand the book, and nobody's a complete dummy, right? I really don't like this series of books, but I wanted to learn a little bit about swing trading, and I basically translate it as, introduction to swing trading. But I'm just, I don't like the word dummy, and I think the whole series is just kind of mislabeled. But anyway, I did not read this entire book, but I read, the title, Swing Trading for Dummies, second edition. But I did read pretty much everything about technical analysis, which is the main reason I picked it up. It had a big section on technical analysis. I have been a long-term investor based on fundamental analysis, and I've recently joined a group that where some people really swear by technical analysis. And I'm still not really convinced too much, although more than I used to be. I think there is something to it. But and I will probably continue to study technical analysis. I don't know how much I'm actually going to use it. A little bit, probably getting in and out of securities perhaps, but also, it was fun to learn about swing trading. I did like the author's general attitude, very respectful towards other investment techniques, the two other main ones being day trading, which I would not be so respectful towards, but I guess it does have its place. And of course, what I would actually call investing. To me, day trading and swing trading are trading, not investing. I think he would agree. I did like the author, actually. I forget his name. Omar Bassal. Are it's trading. You're not really, well, you could look at the fundamentals, but you're not, you're guessing on where things are going to go in such a short time period that it's the whims of the market and human foibles and the weirdness of how markets go, which is what technical analysis is really trying to study and predict, versus really looking at companies and saying, hey, I think this company has a good chance of growing or being successful or able to grow market share over the next X number of years, and therefore I'll do long-term investing, which is what I like to do. But it was I think a fun and well written book. Again, I didn't read every page. It also inspired me to look at other, particularly investor, I forget what it's called, Investor's Business Daily. Quite a few sources have said that's a good source of information, and I think I might buy a subscription. Anyway, it pointed me in the direction of several useful sources of information. It introduced me to other areas of the stock, equities, securities world, and other perspectives and techniques. And it was a very good introduction to technical analysis. So, while I wouldn't recommend swing trading very much, maybe in rare cases where something is grossly undervalued. And in fact, he doesn't even recommend that people get into it unless they're very careful. I mean, I did like the author. Anyway, I wouldn't recommend actually swing trading, but there is some useful information in here, and it gives you perspectives on other ways of trying to make money off of securities and stock markets and such. Okay, until we read again, happy reading. Until we meet again, happy reading.